Namaste. This is me, Priyanka from Bangalore. I am a fitness instructor. I understand how important it is to bring in a routine and fitness and eating the right food, maintaining a good disciplined routine for yourself. But I still wanted a holistic approach where I was causing lesser harm for myself, my physical body, my mental body. Every aspect that I spoke about right now, I got a very beautiful approach in, I think, the way I would love the most. And Vinyasa Yogashala, the teachers, the staff, and all the students, we were like a family. They made sure they created the space for us, which was extremely homely for us, and we did not feel homesick at all. At least I didn't. And everything was beautiful, and leaving from here is we have to leave with a heavy heart, because this was our family for 30 days. And coming back again for 300 and 500 to Vinyasa Yogashala, I recommend Vinyasa Yogashala over everything. I did take a tour here and go visit other yogashalas before. I opted to this one. This is the best one.